Well guys, check it out. We've just arrived, campsite number 59, who knows. Airplane going overhead. We've got some chill African vibe music. What do you do when you haven't been shopping and you arrive at a campsite, and what do? You go into the Landy and you check what's in there. And what did we find? A bit of green stuff.
No, we did bring that with us. But the
asparagus
was in the Landy. Emergency meals.
Mussels, we've got sardines from Spain, we've got some cheese from Holland, and some salty cracks. These are nice.
Just the best.
But here's part two. You've seen the other one maybe. Chicken curry today. Adventure food. Calories, all that stuff. It's freeze-dried food, I think. It's actually pretty good, what's in it. And all you really need to do is add water if you open it properly. There you go. So let's try and do this the right way. Let's do that again. Hang on.
Oops.
Remove that.
The last one we ate with that.
So, add water. About that much.
We stir it up easy.
So open it up a bit so it can stand on its own. Put in about 375 mils. That's my 375 mils worth. Stir it up so it's all quite just like your old pronitro. Remember pronitro? Wow. So while we're waiting for this for 8 minutes to kind of gel, we're going with our green meal, which is lettuce, a salty crack. Is that green? We've got some mussels here and some sardines. And you can make up your own mind about the nutritional value. There's a lot of green here. And then we'll go for the other one later on. To anyone who knows about salty cracks, the beginning of the month salty cracks was about that high with a whole lot of stuff on it. And then you had the end of the month salty crack, which was nothing except a little bit of green. So now we've got some mussels from Rocket. And yeah, bring it on. Wow. Did you know a tin of sardines, pilchards, are good for about 7-8 years? Think about that. Emergency meal, here it is. Well, it's been 8 minutes, guys, and it's right here. Adventure food. Let's give it a go. This is chicken curry, as it says on the tin. This side. That's pretty good.
What's in it?
Seems to have quite a bit of chicken in it. It's obviously rice based. It's got some peppers in there, onion.
Can we zoom in on the...
Yeah, I think it's quite flavorful. It's not overly hot, but you don't want that. I would say I'd be very happy with this after a long hike or a long bike ride or whatever.
It's an emergency meal in the Landy.
As an emergency meal in the Landy, as I've just been told. So
We can keep this one in our larder. The first one wasn't so nice, but this one's really nice.
there you go, you heard it. I hope you heard it, which means that the pasta bolognese was kind of a tomato soupish.
Yeah.
If you like that kind of thing, go for it. This is more convincing. This is what it does, what it says on the tin. Yeah, I would go for this one. Yeah. So there you go, man. Quick emergency meal, and that's exactly what these things are. So I can recommend it. Adventure food. Yeah, go check it out. Cheers.